Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Minecraft connection timed out error Getsockopt. So first of all, what you have to do is click on your Windows key on your keyboard and type in cmd, hit enter. Now type in ipconfig/flush DNS, hit enter. Now once you have flushed the DNS, close the window. Hit Windows key once again on your keyboard and type in Control Panel. Now click View By and select Large Icons, and then in the list of options you have to select Network and Sharing Center. From here, go to Change Adapter Settings. Now select your internet connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, you will see Wi-Fi here. I'm using an Ethernet cable, so I will be able to see that Ethernet is my internet. Right now I will right click and click on Properties. This window will appear. Click on Internet Protocol version 4. So select Properties, select that and select Properties, and then in this window select Use the following DNS server addresses. Now here you have to type in 8.8.8.8, and then in the bottom section you have to type in 8.8.4.4. Hit OK. Close the window. Close this window as well, and this one as well. Again, hit the Windows key on your keyboard and this time type in Windows Defender Firewall. This window will appear. Now select Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Click on that option and then click on Change Settings. Once you click on Change Settings, then you have to find Minecraft by scrolling down. Go to the section M and find Minecraft. For instance, Minecraft is not installed on my PC yet, but if you have Minecraft on your PC, you will see Minecraft on this list. Now, for instance, let's suppose this is Minecraft. You have to check both of the options, and then you have to scroll up to the J section and find Java. You may find Java in the J section. I will scroll up. You will find Java over here, and you have to check both options, and after checking all the options, you're good to go. Now you're good to go. Now try launching the Minecraft game once again, and this time your problem will be fixed. And that's how you can fix Minecraft connection timed out error Getsockopt. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.